Hey guys, so I got my sister this. And let's see her unbox it. Hey, look at me unbox this. Which one are you hoping for? Yeah, let me see what I'm hoping for the secret. Okay, let's see what she gets. Right here, like, so you turn it around, and you see that little thing. Sorry guys, it came with tape. What'd she get? Close your eyes. Oh wow. Guys, she got the secret. Oh my gosh. La la la, dance party, la la la, dance party. There's a card. There's no card, I'm sorry. Bye guys, see you in the next unboxing. Woo-hoo.